I would call it one of our signature programs as CRECO, because CRECO majorly focuses on issues around human rights, democracy, and governance. And actually, even in line with our strategic plan, we've been now calling it pro-people governance. So whereby we have governance that is people-centered. So this conversation, as you say, rightfully say, is that it came in at a very, very timely time, at a very timely moment, because even before the protest, actually, I remember the last time I was here, we were talking about, yeah, you guys apply for the Digital Democracy Fellowship. Yeah. But being a digital democracy champion, we are talking about people who can champion for digital hygiene. Talk about, when we are talking about democracy, are we able to have a sober conversations around democracy, even online, from a point of facts? Okay, from both ends, whether it's coming from the leadership, whether it's coming from the very people who are being led, the citizenry, and especially now bringing it into context, the Kenyan context, whereby we have majority being young people, being on the digital platforms. And I remember last time we were calling them the digital natives. So these people being the main interactors, people who interact with information. How can they interact with this information from a point of sobriety? I mean, being sober, we are interacting with correct information. We are engaging government as young people with the correct information, and not only government, even generally, just issues around our social well-being, our lifestyles, and all that. Are we able to share the correct information? Yeah. So talking about Digital Democracy Fellowship, it's a good place, and I know Daisy here can testify how really impactful it is, and how they're learning a lot on how to become champions, online champions, to champion for proper interaction with information, for hygiene, and also besides that, on how they can become better advocates when it comes to issues around governance, human rights, and democracy.
Right.
Yes.
You've mentioned the digital